Hello and welcome to the Kodak ScanStation Pro 550 demonstration. The ScanStation Pro 550 represents a new solution for Kodak, one that's easy to deploy, self-contained. It's a transaction capture solution, and it combines the great Kodak image quality with advanced batch processing and output, and all at the push of a single button. The user benefits are that it provides customizable transaction capture and output. It's based on the proven platform of the ScanStation. It virtually eliminates operator training, and it provides great flexibility for deployment. It has good data integrity in that you can capture, view, and verify index information right at the point of origin, right on the machine. It's a self-contained total solution. There's no need for additional document capture server software investment. And the worry-free document capture is thanks to the Kodak perfect page scanning that's in the ScanStation. Now, if you think about walk-up transaction capture, you think about invoices, air bills, and that sort of thing. And what I'm going to demo for you today is a typical workstation or an air bill that contains information along the bottom here, and it also has a barcode. Now the barcode contains information that's specific to this particular waybill. Now what I'm going to do is scan it. The ScanStation Pro 550 will extract the barcode information and use it for later processing. So I put it in ready to scan. Once the documents are ready, I'm going to go ahead and press one of the buttons here. Now what's going to happen is the scanner will kick in, the pages will be fed through, and you'll see here that the pages are being scanned into the viewer here. And this particular job configuration is set to automatically output it to our server on the back end. And you'll see there's a progress bar here. And when it's completed uploading these scanned images to our server, it goes right back to the main screen. What I'm going to show you now is the same type of operation. Put the pages in again, and I'm going to hit another button here. Now these buttons represent different job types, and they represent different types of output, mechanisms and ways that you can scan pages in, capture data, and output them to the server. This one we'll get to see exactly what's happening on that last job. Now this one is the exact same job, but instead of automatically outputting, it's going to stop and allow the user to actually look at the images. And this is important in an environment where 100% quality control or image checking needs to happen. Now if you look at this, you can see here is our main screen. You can see the images. This is 2 up, front and back. Now this particular configuration is set to delete blank backs, which is one of our data capture features. So you're seeing just the front of these, and we have this magnify feature here within the Capture Pro software on the ScanStation 550 that allows analysis and kind of viewing of a close-up of the images. Here we have another button here which allows you to scan additional pages. The stop button, which if it was a long job and you wanted to stop it. This is an index edit mode. I'll show you that in a moment. And then you can navigate through here with our navigation buttons. Now, the index edit button here puts you into a mode where you can actually see the index that's being extracted. Now, as you recall, the barcode contains this information. The software on the ScanStation has extracted that information and provided it right here as a document index. Now, in this particular job, I'm using that when I output it to the server as the name of the file. So you can look through these and see if they look good. You can see as we navigate through the document, everything looks fine. We can exit indexing mode, and now we can simply output the document. Now this button here is if we wanted to clear the job and start over, that would be this button here. So now, if we just hit the output button, this is doing the same output operation that was automatically done in the first demonstration. When this is finished, again it goes back to the main screen. And again, ease of operation, one of the main design goals was to provide something easy to be able to walk up, put the pages in, scan and go. As you can see, it's like I said, an easy to deploy, self-contained solution. And it provides data capture, batch processing, and that's all at the touch of a single button. One option that's available with the ScanStation Pro 550 is the keyboard. And the keyboard is useful when you are doing index edit mode, as I showed in my demonstration. And this is useful and necessary if a barcode is damaged when it's being scanned in and can't be read. The keyboard is used by the operator to manually type in the index information that's used later on in output. And it can be used even if it's not a scan operation where they have to correct something if they want to change something. The user can do that using the keyboard.